Welcome back. Our next chapter is heat. Okay, so in this chapter, we are discussing some of the key concepts such as heat as a form of energy, units of heat, then what are the different effects of heat, and what are the transfer method of heat. So, under all these concepts, we are discussing some of the subtopics also. So, let us get started. First one is that heat as a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy which causes the sensation of warmth or cold to an object. If an object gets heat energy, its temperature rises and it becomes warm. And if an object gives out heat energy, its temperature falls and it becomes cold. Heat energy is also known as thermal energy. Transfer of heat energy takes place from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. So first one is the definition for heat energy. We all know that heat energy, that is, heat is also a form of energy which causes the sensation of warmth or cold to an object. And next important point is that if an object gets heat energy, its temperature rises and it becomes hot. In order to depict or to prove that, we are taking an example when we are taking a iron rod and we are heating it. What happens after some time? Yes, of course, its temperature rises and it becomes warm. On the other hand, if the object gives out heat energy, what happens? Its temperature falls and it becomes cold. That is when we are considering an hot liquid or a warm liquid and we are keeping it on the table for some times. What happened? Yes, it releases heat energy and after some time its temperature falls and it becomes cold. So these are the two main points that you have to study about the heat energy. When it gets heat energy, its temperature rises and it becomes warm, and if an object gives out heat energy, then its temperature falls and it becomes cold. And we all know that heat energy is also known as thermal energy. And next one is transfer of heat energy takes place from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. See, we all know that whatever be the quantity, physical quantity, every time the change is from or the transfer is from the body at higher temperature or higher concentration to a body at lower concentration. Okay, so here also the heat energy takes place, that is the transfer of heat energy takes place from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. Next one is about the units of heat energy. SI unit of heat is joule. Calories and kilocalories are also used as the unit of heat. Okay, so let us study what is calorie. 1 calorie is the amount of heat energy absorbed or released when the temperature of 1 gram of water is raised or lowered by 1 degree Celsius. We can write or define it as two different definitions. Okay, first one is that 1 calorie can be also defined as the heat energy required in order to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. I will repeat, it is the amount of heat energy required in order to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Okay, and next one is that kilocalorie will be equal to 1000 calories. Kilocalorie is the higher value or the higher unit of heat. So 1 kilocalorie will be equal to 1000 calories. And what is the relation between the joule and calorie? 1 calorie will be equal to 4.186 joule, which can be approximately equal to 4.2 joules. And 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories, which will be equal to 4186 joule, which can be approximately equal to 4200 joule. Okay, so these are the units of heat. SI unit is joule. Calories and kilocalories also are also used as the unit of heat. And next one is about temperature. See, we are using the terms temperature and heat in different situations, isn't it? But it is not the same. That is why we are discussing right now. Let us study what is temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called its temperature. That means how cold or how hot an object is. That is called the temperature. And the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. See, heat energy and temperature are different. Of course, their definitions are different, and of course, their units are also different. The unit of heat energy is Joule, and the unit of temperature is Kelvin. Okay. Temperature of a body is measured in degree Celsius. Sometimes the temperature is also measured in degree Fahrenheit. Thermometer is the instrument used to measure the temperature. So we all know that our body temperature is measured using the thermometer, and it will be in the degree Celsius. And sometimes they will be measured in degree Fahrenheit also. Okay, so children, these are the concepts about heat energy, its units, and the temperature. So just go through the textbook, read the concepts, understand the concept. Okay, keep safe in your home, keep watching. Thank you.